by seeing like accident in roadside, accident in highways. If the accident in roadside, then there will be people to call the ambulance, and even the people are around, they'll take some time to call the ambulance. And if it is in the highway cases, there won't be much people to call for the ambulance, and we won't be knowing at what situation the patient will be. He may be able to call the ambulance or he may not be able to call the ambulance. So to solve this problem, we came with an idea of Falcon, where it can automatically, when the patient is unconscious or he may be met with any accident, it will automatically call to the ambulance. And in addition to this, we have seen ravishments and we have seen vehicle breakdowns during night times or in highways, etc. So to give solution for all this, we are here with the Falcon.
We have arrived to product cost to 8,964 rupees approximately in bulk manufacturing. As we can see, we have considered factors like primary cost, which includes the BOM, which is only 7%. Manufacturing cost means the other materials and machinery. Setup cost comes around 18%. Office and administrative cost 12%. Selling and distribution cost is the maximum, that is 50%. So initially we will not go for external distributors and selling agents to save maximum from this section and uphold the company growth. Every idea cannot be converted to venture. It is a difficult task as it will be including licensing and certification and many more research about the product. But it becomes easy when the idea is for social welfare. To bring this product to reach customers, our team is working hard and enthusiastic. There are some similar solutions existing in the form of mobile application. For example, Be Safe, SOS Alarm, Nirbhaya, With You, Yatra Mitra, and Women Safe Protection. These applications are in smartphones. There is one more physical entity by the name of MyBuddy. Even it also need companion smartphone. The mentioned examples are purely depend on smartphones. But in panic situation, in unattended accident, they may not be able to access their phones. So our product is different and have unique feature than these above solutions. Hence, we don't have any competition. Licensing and certification like CE, FCC, ISO, which is very much required for an electronic product, we have to approach government authorities like Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology.
Our business strategy for Falcon. We have planned verticals like e-store, store, distributors, company website, and car manufacturers. Under e-store, we have Amazon, Flipkart, and other online partners. Stores will be our mechanic shop, person-to-person marketing, and accessory showrooms. Under distributors, we have dealers and other selling partners. Our business
Hello, my name is Bapaditya. I'm a product manager in IoT, and I have reviewed this product Falcon. Really great product. It's a companion to any driver or any off-roader, especially. So you can call police, fire, or a mechanic or an ambulance at a push of a button. So I do a lot of travel between Mumbai, Pune, and I always think if I could have something like that, that really would have boosted my confidence. So I congratulate Team Falcon for coming out with this idea.
Falcon, an amazing product which has been devised by the team, is a great business proposition for the Save Our Souls concept. This product is a revolutionary one, which is gonna be a great solution for our problems which has been facing by us right now. So I, as a consultant, put this as one of the great propositions that is gonna be helping the society to improvise on the security part and also help the normal people get all the services in a fizzy. This is devised by the students, I believe, and the costing is very optimum at around 9,000, around approximately 9,000 rupees as a production cost. And this costing involves everything and includes the marketing cost, the production, and the cost and the bill of materials. This we should be able to look at the market and a great proposition to bring about a change in the market and see how people can look at it and introduce a great change in the society. Thank you.